Under the vast Montana sky, a day of reckoning unfolded for the U.S. Army's 7th Cavalry Regiment under the command of Lieutenant Colonel George Armstrong Custer. On June 25, 1876, Custer and his men marched towards the Little Bighorn River, oblivious to the gathering of over 10,000 Lakota, Sioux and Northern Cheyenne tribes. The Sioux and Cheyenne, led by the legendary chiefs Crazy Horse and Sitting Bull, had united to protect their lands and way of life, sensing the imminent threat of white encroachment. Custer, driven by a desire to demonstrate his military prowess, split his forces into 3 detachments, believing the Native Americans were vastly outnumbered. The first detachment, led by Captain Thomas Custer, encountered light resistance and reported back to Custer that the Native Americans were in disarray. Overconfident, Custer led his 2nd detachment to engage the enemy head-on, unaware of the deception of his scouts, who had intentionally misled him about the size and strength of the Native American forces. Meanwhile, Major Marcus Reno's detachment was ambushed, facing a brutal and relentless assault from the Native American forces. As Reno's men retreated, they unknowingly left a trail for Custer's 2nd detachment to follow. Custer, now aware of the Native American strength, decided to charge their encampment on the ridges above the Little Bighorn River. What followed was a fierce and bloody battle, with the 7th Cavalry fighting valiantly against overwhelming odds. In the end, Custer and over 260 of his men were killed, a devastating loss for the U.S. Army. The Native American forces, while suffering heavy casualties themselves, emerged victorious, preserving their lands and way of life, if only for a brief moment. The Battle of Little Bighorn became a symbol of Native American resistance and a cautionary tale for the U.S. Army, marking a turning point in the Plains Indian Wars. It also highlighted the misunderstandings and miscalculations that often plagued the U.S. government's dealings with Native American tribes in the pursuit of westward expansion.